This week we're going to discuss glassware. You may be confronted the next time you dine out, either at a restaurant or in someone else's home, with a number of glasses. So let's talk today about firstly how you hold them, secondly if you wish to taste the wine, and thirdly if you want to refrain from the wine. So let's start with how to hold a stem glass. So this is a white wine glass, we have a red wine glass here, but any glass with a stem, best and most appropriate way is to hold it with a stem. And if there is a tumbler, this shape, then hold it at the base as opposed to holding it up here around. The only exception which you may ask if you're a red wine drinker is that some people choose to hold it like that, and that's absolutely fine because red wine doesn't mean that it doesn't like being chilled, but it doesn't mind also having a little bit of warmth there, so your hand is fine. Otherwise, if you're not sure, the best solution is to hold it by the stem. If you're tasting wine and your sommelier has poured a little wine in there for you to taste, for your guests, for example, just show you know a little bit about wine by swirling it just very lightly around, smelling it briefly, and then taking a small sip of the wine, placing it down, and then indicating to your sommelier that that's perfect wine for the evening and you've chosen the right wine for your guests. Lastly, we may not all want to have our glass replenished, or we may choose not to have the beverage of the night or the wine of the evening. So what do we do to indicate that? We certainly don't put the glass down like that, and we certainly don't put our hand over to indicate no more. The secret to this is just to put very lightly on the side your two fingers to indicate you don't wish to partake or have your wine glass replenished. I hope those are helpful tips next time you're at the dinner table or lunch table or wherever you are. Even standing up at a network event, remember, if it's a stem, hold it by the stem.